Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best prop firms for futures. So the first one that is like very popular one is a Topstep. It's focused exclusively on futures trading. So CM Group, COMEX, NYMEX, CBOT, established brand, good reputation in a prop firm space, and also clear rules and infrastructure built for future trades. So this is only for futures. This is something that you have to be aware of. No stock options FX. Because they're so focused, the rules for futures, like you have a minimum trading day, specific contract sizes might be stricter than multi-asset prop firms. So then you can have also the evaluation fees that you have to be aware of. And then let's say when I'm going to select, for example, the account size here. There you have to like just gonna create an account and you will see for yourself. So here you see also the monthly price like $49, $99, $149. Let's say that you're gonna start with the $49 and start from there. And then you can have like be aware that you have all traders pay one time $149 activation fee that you have to be aware of. So then you can have like the next one, which is like the funded next. This is dedicated futures program with favorable conditions, no time limits, on challenge, a one-time fee, multiple platform support. You have TradingView, NinjaTrader. Also great for traders who want flexibility in future markets and transparent about the features like no activation fee and rapid challenge. Now the cons of it, it's being a bit more flexible may mean fewer restrictions, but this may also mean higher risk of weaker trades, screening or looser rules. Need to check exactly which futures contracts are allowed, so that's also important. And as with many prop firms, the challenge phase may still be strict. Then you can have also the Tradify. So strong marketing for future trading, supercharge your futures trading with $750K in funding. Then you can have also large payout claims and options for both challenge and instant funding. The cons, payout claims and marketing are strong but need to verify full terms, so that's something you have to be aware of. Instant funding may come with stricter trading rules, and some futures contracts can carry high margin. So that's also. Then you can also like the FXFI. So they advertise dedicated futures option for traders looking to trade futures market with international catered conditions. That better like branching into a lot to FX business, so that's something that you have to be aware of. And then also like it's important about like overnight holds, but also like to be honest, I like way more the Topstep. This is like the beast that you can have, and that's pretty much it for this video. So have a great day and goodbye.